Remember that Camaro we posted on TikTok? That really low mile one? We bought that from them. And now bringing us the Silverado so we can make a deal on it. Okay, nice. 2 keys? Nice. What's the miles on this thing? 137,813. What did I offer you? 12.5. The transmission shifted fine?
You drove it? Yeah, I drove it. So upshifts are good, but downshifts it does have a little slight kick.
It does?
Yeah, it's not nasty, but it's there.
Okay.
I felt it.
Yeah?
You know what I mean?
Do you guys already pay him or no?
No.
Okay.
Ball's in your court.
So what's it gonna take to buy this? What's he willing to do? Because 12. Problem is, like, these things are notorious for transmission, and if I as-is it, everyone's gonna know it's a transmission issue.
Yeah.
It's just everyone knows Silverado transmission, Silverado transmission.
Yeah, engine's good, but
Engine's good, transmission is a piece of shit. Like, it's gonna go bad, and they go bad like pretty early. Otherwise, it's pretty clean. It just got some dings on this side. It's not too bad, and the registration's expired.
yeah.
It's paid?
I think so.
The wheels are cool. Body-wise, it's straight.
Drive it.
Yeah. I don't really need to drive it. You already told me the transmission's bad. 12 is gonna be tough. Thinking more like 10. Yeah, because the transmission's gonna be at least like a couple G's.
Yeah.
And then installation, it's gonna be like, what, day and a half?
Yeah. You saw it as is. It's not gonna pull as much.
It's not, yeah. I'll be lucky if I get 10. Yeah. It's got like little issues, like that little spoiler down there is broken. But otherwise, it's pretty clean for the year and the miles. Do you guys want to give him a call and see what he'll do? Just let him know that it needs a transmission.
Yeah.
It's gonna need a transmission.
That's your best?
I think so, yeah. It's gonna be tough to go any higher. And then just confirm the registration.
Yeah.
The radio doesn't work either? The radio's not working either? It does?
My Bluetooth connected.
I'm trying to buy it. One of my dealers that I deal with trying to sell me a car. One of the customer cars.
Yeah. Said 10.5.
10.5?
So that's it.
Come on, man. You have the title or is it a payoff? It's a payoff, and what's the payoff?
Payoff is 55.38.
Okay. What gears is it when you downshift? Does it like
I mainly noticed it in like third.
third?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it pretty bad?
No. It's minor. It's not like a
Yeah.
straight kick. It's like going into the gear, it's a little softer. It's just
Gotcha.
so it's there. It's not kicking nasty, but there's a minor kick. So
Okay, it doesn't slip?
no.
Okay.
So I got on it too to make sure like going up the gears.
Yeah.
It was good. It was good.
Yeah. Most likely I'm gonna be stuck at 10. You think we'll be able to make a deal there?
So
Why
it's
not?
me. Yeah, I think he's just trying to get the most for what he can.
I get it.
Yeah,
But what if it has registration fees?
I think it'd still be at that.
Really?
Yeah, I think so.
Only thing that sucks is no service records on the car since
Yeah,
50,000
he did,
miles.
so, yeah.
Yeah. Second owner. Since he bought it, there's not a single service record.
Yeah.
Registration's expired. 665 is due. Do 10.
You want to call?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm checking out this truck. There's no way you'll do just an even 10? It's got a bunch of registration fees.
Oh, with the registration fees? Yeah, I forgot about that.
Forgot about it.
Yeah.
So we got a 10?
Yeah, I'm cool with 10 then.
Okay, that's easy. All right, cool. Perfect. We'll handle the paperwork right now.
Alright,
Cool?
sounds
Thanks.
good.
Appreciate you. How much I have at 9,000?
That was easy.
You have his like bank info to wire him or how do I? Okay, just send it to you guys?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.